Hello my beautiful bugs, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooke. Today we are transforming ourselves. I'm going to show you how I go from this to this. I am very excited for today's video. I'm actually doing a photo shoot today, and I'm doing a YouTube promo shoot, photo shoot, if you know what I mean. So yeah, let's just jump right into the video.
Wait, just 1 second, okay? Let's appreciate the fact that I got my hair done, okay? And this is the girl that did it. Her name is Issa. She does some really crazy colors. I really like her style and the way she cuts as well. She also does men hair, so you know, hop on that. Also, I got my nails done. My girl Ken's, of course, the one and only. Aren't they beautiful? Okay, let's jump in. Right now, we're going to remove our hair out of our face and moisturize our lids because we are starting on our lids, of course. And I'm using the Morphe neutral palette. I forgot the name of it, but it's a neutral palette. It has all these great neutral colors, and the 24A Artist Pass palette. And after we moisturize, we are going to prime our lids. I'm using the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. Now, starting our base with our NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer. You can use any concealer that you like. I just so happen to be using this one. And of course, blending that out. Get out your tape to make that straight edge if you need it, of course. Now taking a warm taupey brown on a not fluffy crease brush and putting that in my crease. Now taking our fluffy crease brush and just blending that out. Now taking this light beige color and a flat eyeshadow brush, and we are just going to pack that all over the lid. It looks a lot darker on my skin, probably because I'm super pale, but you know, pack it on. I'm kind of mimicking a cut crease with this shadow, but I'm not really doing a cut crease because we're going to blend it out eventually. Taking this milk chocolate brown, it literally looks like milk chocolate, and this super small crease brush, and we are just defining our outer corner with this milk chocolate brown. Now, of course, blending that out with our fluffy crease brush. Now going in with our eyeliner and also lining our lash line as well. Moisturizing our face, priming our face, waiting 3 minutes before foundation, and I am using the Il Maquillage foundation. I also did a review on that. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. I like this foundation. It's pretty good. I just spoiled the review. There you go. Now concealing. I'm not really going into detail on my face because I literally just posted a very extremely detailed face tutorial. Go check that out. 2 promos in a row. Okay. Setting our concealer with some loose powder. This is the Fit Me loose powder. And I didn't really get a good shot of my setting powder and what it looks like, so here's a freeze frame. Now we are going to go in and contour our nose, really snatch it up, you know what I mean? So let's do that. Look how focused I am on contouring my nose. Like, this is my favorite part of makeup. Like, I really just chisel. It's like an art. Same with my lips right here. You know? Now to contour the rest of my face, and y'all, look at this monstrosity. I literally just talked about that in my last video, not connecting it to your hairline. And speaking of hair, look at this, a snoop hair on my freaking brush. Anyways, blend out your contour. While blending out your contour, wipe away your baking powder from earlier. Check that nose highlight. Bing! Okay, one more time. Bing! Bing! Also, I forgot to mention, I did put eyeliner on the outer corner of my lash line on the bottom. Do you see this monstrosity? I grabbed the wrong palette. I meant to grab the 24A Artist Pass palette, but I grabbed the James Charles Morphe palette out of habit. Either way, I was going to use the dark purple shade in the 24A Artist Pass palette with a Q-tip, just doing a cute little dot right in the center of my eye. Now going in with lipstick, I'm using the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. First putting down Gemini, then putting down Celebrity Skin, mushing my lips together, and then putting down the last one, which is Mannequin, and then mushing my lips together again to kind of get like an ombre effect. Like I said, I did actually wipe this off right after I was done. I don't really like wearing lipstick that much. Now I'm going to be doing my hair, and I'm just going to be straightening it and putting it in a half up, half down ponytail and pulling my bangs out.
표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖에 사람 내가 어때 같은 질문하면 항상 난 나온 기분 나도 내게 믿어 yeah. 말해도 내게 믿어 yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also click the bell icon down below to get notified every time I post a new video. See you guys next time.